Okay, now what we're going to do is show you how to make perfect impressions. The first thing you want to do is take your impression tray and place the impression tray into your mouth. Like so. So you get a good feeling of where the teeth should be placed inside the tray. Now, the next thing you need to do is get your putty. Now, set your timer for 5 minutes. And then take one yellow and one blue putty. You'll mix these together for approximately 100 seconds. So, take the putty and knead it, that's press and fold, until it's one color. You can see there are two colors right now, but it'll be one consistent color when you have it completely kneaded. So, kneading the putty together, it'll begin to harden in about 2 minutes. So, we're just about at 1 minute. Now, get your impression tray ready. Okay, we've got the putty one consistent color. So you'll roll it into a log, place it into the tray. Now, make sure it's flush with the tray. You can push it around. You've got a little time before it starts to harden. And place it all the way around the tray. Okay? Now, while you're looking into the mirror, look down and place your teeth gently into the putty. Now, you will take the bottom of the tray and push. Make sure your teeth go all the way down, and you will push on the tray over your teeth. Now, that's going to need to set. Leave it in there for 3 minutes. So while that's setting, I'll show you a couple of examples of what not to do. This is a poor impression because it's not deep enough. They didn't bite down to where their teeth met the tray. So we can't see the gum line. What that would produce is a tray that won't meet the gum line. You don't want that. You want it to meet the gum line. So you need to make a very deep impression. Now, this is an example of some that was lifted out too soon. It wasn't squeezed through the holes, so it was able to lift out of the impression tray. You don't want that either. And most importantly, be sure to mix the putty together. This is an example of the putty that wasn't mixed together enough. So we are unable to use this. This would be an example of a perfect impression. It went through the bottom. You can see the gum line, and it wasn't removed too soon, so it didn't collapse. Remember, it takes 5 minutes from beginning to end. Our impression is beginning to set here. You can still see the putty is very, very, very tender, very soft. So it hasn't quite set. What we will produce for you is a tray. Now this tray can be used to hold teeth in place, we can create a night guard that is both dual laminate and soft on the underside, hard on the outer. We can also produce a temporary bridge. For this person, they were missing a tooth there. And so we place a tooth inside an invisible tray and place it like so. Alright. Looks like our 5 minutes are up. So we can remove the tray. And there we have a perfect impression. If you have any questions, feel free to call us.